Content planning software versus social media calendars. Which one is better for marketing teams? Most marketing teams get this wrong by assuming that a simple calendar is enough to manage content strategy. The surprising truth is that content planning software and social media calendars serve different roles, and understanding the distinction can transform how teams work. Social media calendars like CoSchedule or Trello boards dedicated to posts focus primarily on scheduling and publishing. They let teams plan posts by date, visualize content timelines, and coordinate campaigns across multiple platforms. For example, a fashion brand can schedule Instagram posts, Twitter threads, and LinkedIn updates weeks in advance, ensuring consistent posting without last-minute rushes. This keeps campaigns organized and helps avoid gaps in content delivery. Content planning software, such as GatherContent, Artable, or Notion, goes deeper. These platforms manage the entire content lifecycle from ideation and drafting to editing, approvals, and analytics. They allow marketing teams to assign tasks, track progress, store content assets, and collaborate in real time. For instance, a global marketing team can plan blog posts, social snippets, and videos in one unified system, ensuring all stakeholders stay aligned and content meets brand standards. The key difference is depth versus scheduling. Social media calendars are excellent for visualizing timelines and staying organized, while content planning software supports collaboration, workflow management, and strategic oversight. Many teams combine both, using content planning software to manage creation and approvals, then exporting the final content into a social media calendar for execution. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is to ensure posts are timely and coordinated, a social media calendar is sufficient. If your goal is to streamline the entire content creation process and improve cross-team collaboration, content planning software is the better choice. The surprising truth is that using both tools together empowers marketing teams to plan smarter, collaborate seamlessly, and deliver campaigns that truly engage audiences.